How to turn off sensitive content setting on Twitter. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can turn off sensitive content setting on Twitter. Now, if you open up Twitter app, what you want to do is head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon or profile emoji that you can see at the top left corner. Tap on it and head into settings and support at the bottom of the screen and head into settings and privacy. Once what you want to do is head into privacy and safety, and under privacy and safety you can see the option content you see. Now you can see the option display media that may contain sensitive content. Now if this is toggled off, your sensitive content setting is on. Now if you want to turn off this sensitive content setting, what you want to do is simply toggle this on, and if you toggle this on, you'll be able to view sensitive content, and if you toggle this off, you won't be able to view sensitive content. So what you want to do is simply toggle this on. So this way you can turn off sensitive content setting on Twitter. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.